like and subscribe. Your boy's nice. You want that red Corvette? You better subscribe right now, my boy. I got my brother Ryan. But let's see. Infiniti Q45 O2 sensor replacement. One cylinder one is on the right, so it's bank one, sensor one is on the right side. Number two cylinder is on the left side. Bank two, sensor two's on the left. So I gotta check engine light. I'll put it on the screen. Bank two, sensor two needs a replacement. If it was bank two, sensor one, it would be like right there by the downpipe or the pipe right there. But because it's bank two, it's laid down by the exhaust pipe. So we're gonna go down here. And my brother didn't want me to go buy the O2 sensor tool like Scotty Kilmer said. So we might have to do a ratchet strap. No,
it's not even gonna work.
No? Why?
This is all bad.
Why?
I'm just saying that for the video.
Let's see.
No, it is all bad though.
Why, you stripped it?
No, you have to take this piece off first.
No way.
Yeah.
Why?
Because if you look over there, it's like a heat shield, and you can only put a socket in there.
So
if you want to slap a crescent wrench, you're gonna have to take this off.
So should I just do that real quick?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Well, for the Infiniti Q45 owners, oh yeah, look at all that grease and shit covered on that fucking sensor. Fucking A. We'll have to get
Get that size and just take it off.
You gonna grab the toolbox?
No, I'm gonna wash my hand and grab the phone.
He's leaving. Alright, well, we're gonna have to take this heat shield off to get this bitch off. I'm just gonna try doing it myself. Let's see. Dude, I'm so sketched out being under the car. Pretty sure there's an oil pan crack. Look. Where is it? Right here. Who knows? Poor Q. She filthy. She filthy. Oh, she filthy. Oh, fucking hell. So, this is my O2 sensor. My brother says I'm gonna need to take off this heat shield, but guess what? I'm gonna be a savage and I'm gonna take it off with another tool. Damn, but look at that setup though. Look at that setup. Power tools. Power tools.
Damn, that's gay. Imagine none of this works.
Why is there hair in there? Do you see that?
What?
See that hair shit that's in it?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that? I should have put this shit under. Sorry, Dad, if you're watching this.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Dad, sorry. Just
under this fucking Q45.
Q45, bang 2, bang sensor 2.
That wasn't even the nut, that was my wrist.
It's gonna fall, huh?
Yeah, the whole exhaust.
The whole exhaust. Oh.
Now you can reach it better now.
Man, you're right. Is that guy O'Reilly? Yeah, bro. You gotta go to my friend. He's a mechanic.
Tell your mechanic to suck my
dick.
Suck.
Probably don't need to take that off, Ryan. I probably could do it from there. You just want to take it off, huh?
It's just a heat shield, but I mean, like, just to make it easier for you.
Dude, my brother's a mechanic. Oh my gosh.
He's good at breaking things.
Oh. Brian, you probably shouldn't be breathing. We probably shouldn't be breathing any of
We
this.
shouldn't be.
Dude, homies be like, yo, should we smoke right now?
We should probably smoke right now that we got it loose.
You'll be like, yo, I can't finish the car till I smoke.
I gotta take a smoke. Oh, that's like insulation. That's what it is. The hair?
Mm-hmm. Probably the worst shit to breathe, right? It
Probably.
gives you cancer.
There. Now.
Where's the crescent wrench? You gonna take that one off too? No, just move it, right?
Just make some space.
I should probably flip over, right? This is like the improper way to like work on a car. Laying on your belly.
My hands.
I love that you grab like the biggest fucking crap. Oh my god.
Well, you need leverage. Go on it deeper.
Stripping it.
Yeah, you gotta get on it and then I'll make it tight.
It doesn't tighten at all.
You want me to tighten it? Go towards you. You have to pull it.
Wait, isn't that?
Yeah.
Wait, guys, which side's lefty loosey on this?
Look. On the
So I have to lift
stock is.
it. You don't know this. I'm like getting text from Emily. I'm like thinking.
Alright. Alright. So now you gotta smack it.
Without the car falling down.
Watch it. There. Did you get it? No. You just stripped it?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Just fucking find it. You're making me mad. Yeah, oh, dude, we're going the right way. Just fucking put it on there.
Alright, fine. Just hold the camera,
Put the
bro.
phone down.
Hold the
Put the fuck.
Hold the camera. Fucking don't trust any of this shit that's holding it.
Dude, it's all good. Oh my god, I don't trust it either. How we put the jack?
Yeah, bro. It's
Dude, why'd you put the fucking? Why'd you put it like a dumbass?
Look at the dust.
This is supposed to go right here in the middle.
This is supposed to go here? Oh my god.
You're such a ass. Dude.
Wait, I got it. Don't worry.
Move real quick. Move real quick so you can find it. Because I'm gonna
In the video, you see like my hand on the camera, like.
What's the fucking?
So Ryan's claiming that I'm supposed to put the jack stand on the strongest support side right here.
Dude, why are the jacking points so fucked on this car?
Dude, the interior's bent in because I used the jack stand on the wrong side last time.
Alright, this one should be fine on this.
I'm having like chest pain.
I'm having chest pain. I think it's the fumes. So we're stripping Matthias's fucking. We're trying to strip it.
Scotty, kill me, you motherfucker. You said the shit was so much easier, bro.
So we talked to Scotty on the phone. He said So don't.
You got it?
You said it's impossible.
Yeah.
He said Scotty Kilmer said. He said Scotty didn't know. All right, take this off now.
It's fucking so greasy, dude.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm thinking there's an oil leak somewhere down here. Somewhere down here, there's an oil leak for sure. For sure, it's an oil leak.
That chip's gonna piss you off to take off, bro.
Dude, just do it.
I'll do it. Gotcha.
I did the hard part.
Alright.
It's like the videos when you see people crawling in the caves. You know what I mean? The guy at O'Reilly's like, yeah, dude, you're definitely gonna need like a master tech for this shit. Master technician's definitely what you're gonna need for that shit. Cause
Where's the fucking shit part? It's right here.
I don't know, dude. Let me get closer for fans.
Dude,
I'm trying to.
so trying to. Dude, why
Why don't you look at it? Yeah,
O2 sensor.
Yeah, dude. We
Where is it? Oh, you filmed it vertical, you son of a bitch.
So Matthias is up. All right, Matthias. It's right here. We're looking at the wrong place. It's right here. Look. Actually, I don't know where.
Does it even have one?
Yeah. It's like this. You see this part?
Oh, okay. Oh, sick. They put it. Oh, it's right here.
You found it?
I think it's right. I don't fucking know, actually. These motherfuckers.
Let me try. Got it. You got it?
No, I'm trying to think where the. I don't know.
Okay, here. Let me find here.
Let me see the O2 sensor. I'll know.
Hold on. I can do it. It's right here. It's this right up here.
Sorry, I'm the fucking official cameraman.
We're officially.
Making a video about how to let your brother fucking work on your car.
So, for sure, one of the steps people like to do is get their dad involved. Okay, so we need to break the wires. We need to cut it all off. Dude, I actually hate this because this thing is so oily. It's right here. It's right here.
Where?
You see my fucking hand? Right here. Like this finger right here?
Oh, it's up.
Here. But we're gonna need a rag because someone did their oil change on it.
Oh.
You see it?
Oh.
You squeeze this.
You think the OT sensor broke
Dude.
Dude, is this predetermined? Don't break it. Don't break the other side of it.
Dude, that's where it is though.
Alright, I'll go. Infinity made it where you unclip one side, and then this side you have to unclip with this fucking
Bracket. But I might just break it off.
But how the fuck would I put it back on?
Just zip tie it.
What? Why don't I just loosen the bolt right there?
Or get something to pinch it then.
Huh?
You
Flat
gotta fucking pinch this.
flathead or what?
Something or I'm gonna break it off.
Alright, let me see. Look, they made it so. Oh my gosh, I'm fucking such. Sorry, YouTube. I am such a shitty fucking. Look at this. They made a fucking thing right there. Like,
No, they made a thing.
oh my fucking god. You got a fucking wire cutter. You fucking motherfucker, dude. This is how you fucking break a fucking pin.
No, I can't do it. Fuck. Oh, it's just you gotta reach something in there. Dude,
Right,
fuck
you
your
saw it.
plastic piece.
You saw it from the camera's angle, dude. You saw it from the camera's angle, dude. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. I'm gonna apply this. Bryce said he's gonna go wash his hands. But when he comes back, I'm gonna make sure that he works on the car a little bit more for experience. Oh my god. There we go. Now it's like finger tight, right?
That's the one though. If it's not, then at least you know how to change it though. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'm really hoping it's the one. Cause I kind of just guessed.
Why?
Cause there's one that's above the downpipe, but I'm pretty sure after watching Skilmer's video.
Can you just look up where it is for your specific car?
No, it doesn't even say bank 1, bank 2. It literally just says oxygen sensor, oxygen sensor, oxygen sensor. Dude, at least it comes with a sick ass washer, dude. Wow. Wow, we did it. Now it came with a sick ass washer, dude. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna take this fucking washer out real quick. Ryan, where's the new one? I want to see if it comes with a washer.
Yeah, it does.
It does?
Yeah.
Well, it passes me?
You want it?
Yeah, I'll put it on.
You want to install it?
Yeah, we're gonna install it.
You don't want to degrease the area and shit? Or is it
Should I or what?
How does it look? Oh, no.
I don't know.
Here.
Looks pretty sick.
You already took out the old one?
Yeah, I already took it out. Let me see.
Let me see the old one. You should compare the new one and the old one.
yeah,
Dude.
you're
That's
right.
good content.
You're right. So as you guys can tell, this is the new one. So this is the old one. That's the new one. Look at that. Nice and not covered in any oil at all. Probably not good.
You touched it.
Yeah. And this is the old one. All covered in oil, beat up. Like your mama. Sick, huh? Yeah, guys, so, should I take this pin off, huh? Or it comes with a pin? Does it have a pin on that one? No, huh? Or is that a bracket piece that's attached to it? Oh, yeah. I'm supposed to take that off.
And this.
So this is the piece that you're going to need to attach to your new O2 sensor. But if you have a 99 Q45, this has never been replaced ever once before. So, good luck getting that grease motherfucking shit out. Oh, you cracked it.
If you crack, it's good too. That's the thing. They were saying that.
I bet we put WD-40 to get that shit out.
It has it's marinated in WD-40.
You just spray in degreaser. All that is.
No, I'm saying this thing greased the fuck up. Oh, maybe if you put a flathead.
Yo, shout out to everyone that's got flatheads at home. Yo, like and subscribe if you ever steal your dad's flatheads. Oh, dude, Ryan, fucking genius.
Dude, no, I'm just breaking it.
Now,
dude.
what's the
Don't
size?
film this. It's so bad. It's actually not even coming out. I just broke it.
Oh, you can see the crack.
Yeah. So if you got like a Q45 and you want to break it, come by. We're mobile now. Or maybe we just take this off. Maybe we can get a better grip. Shout out to Aiden. In there. There. We fucking went back here and we snapped it out.
Oh, it's like a clip out, huh?
Mm-hmm. Sweet.
So look, Ryan got the new. Oh, you already put it on?
It's about to be clipped on.
Oh, do it, do it, do it. Sheesh.
Let's do it.
Sheesh. Let's do it. Slow-mo walk to the car. By the way, guys, look at this fucking slammed ass car. And then look how much camber I got on it now. That's slanted, dude. Using iPhone, sorry guys. Sometimes it's pretty productive to use an iPhone.
Alright, get the shit in there.
I
I'm
get
gonna go do my laundry. Hopefully.
I'm gonna do this all myself.
You
You wanna drill the things back in for me?
should probably degrease down there now. After?
Degrease what?
No, no.
Oh,
Just call me. Alright, let's do this shit. Am I aiming it right?
the hole?
Yeah, where the fuck's the hole, Matthias?
Oh, you're not even anywhere near it.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you.
It's right here. There, get
Put
it.
it in. Yeah. Do it together. You see the video of the Island Boys kissing?
No, but I saw him doing the boxing. That shit was hilarious as fuck.
The Island Boys make out.
What?
The Island Boys make out, dude.
They're brothers.
I know.
Some weird Florida shit going on.
Nah, they weren't making out, but they were just like, they make out with like chicks, I guess.
Together?
Yeah.
What the fuck? It says nice and snug.
Nice and snug?
Yeah.
Alright, then that's good enough.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because it said snug.
No, snug?
That's snug, dude. Any tighter and that's like... Let me make sure. Yeah.
Nice.
Alright. And then just clip it on first together. Like a flower.
Look at that clip on.
Alright, this was a clip on going this way, right? Yeah.
That clip on action.
Wait, make sure this side is not dirty as fuck.
Is it?
I don't think so. Alright. Alright. Now clip it. And that's it.
It's clipped in?
Yeah.
That's it?
That's it, bro.
We fucking did it, Ryan.
Now do your skid plate. I'm gonna go do my laundry.
You want me to do the skip play by myself?
Yeah. Not the phone.
Oh, fuck. Where's the socket for it? Hey. I see what I'm doing wrong. See, the thing that I'm doing wrong is that the camera needs to even be further away. There we go.
Right, Terry, let's listen. So fucking hard. So the camera here. I'm gonna go hard guy way. Let's go. Just to get him nice and snug. Alright. Now I gotta do that twisty shit. Right here.
Wait, dude, let's turn it on.
Alright, wait.
Get under it?
Alright, should I take these fucking jacks out, right, bro?
Yeah. I told Matthias, get under it.
Alright, you guys. There's nothing under it. Alright. Alright, remove the thing. It's about to be the moment of truth, y'all. Let's see if this is what's gonna get rid of my rough idol. I replaced the map. Let me wipe this. I cleaned out the whole entire map. I cleaned out my carburetor. Brand new air filter. Oh, Fredo's on the video. So I cleaned out the map flow. I cleaned out the air filter. I cleaned the carburetor, like the throttle body. I changed out the oil, and no ignition coil has gone out. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be so bummed out.
Drive it forward though. I don't want to hotbox it here.
It's gone.
Did it run better?
Yeah, it did it.
Forward.
Ah, yes. Let's see. Never mind. Never mind. It's still doing it for a second. It's cold, that's why. Let the car. Ryan, we're gonna have to see if we put the correct oxygen sensor on now. So, damn, it's smelling rich. Check Y33. Idle came back. So let's see if I put the correct O2 sensor on, which I believe I did, because I tried to sound all educated about it. New segment to the video. I'm gonna go leave my car unplugged for a little bit at O'Reilly, and then I'm gonna fucking, what's it called, to drive the car around to see, make sure these codes go away, because if this really does it, I'd be hyped, but there's a slight chance it won't. So let's just cross our fingers. Or I mean, God can help people, but I don't think God wants to. God just makes, he could do anything, but I don't think he just wants to make my car just run. He could do way more things, like feed a beautiful family somewhere, I don't know, or help me buy some chips at this gas station. But yeah, we're gonna leave the queue disconnected. I got my phone, so I don't got nothing to worry about. No one's got my phone, no one's got my keys. I got my wallet on me. Leave the car unlocked. Safe neighborhood. But mission 2, 10 minutes. Let's go. Upside today. Damn! Look at that NSX though. NSX. And it has sex with you. More like, damn, this thing's nice as fuck. Sheesh, look at that brake kit on that shit. Nice ass wheels. Definitely no reps on that bitch. Damn, look at that. Honda power. Dual overhead cam, flexing on people, bro. This is a fucking classic, bro. What a beautiful car, dude. Look at the rear lights, dude. It's an Acura, too. Red, mean red. I bet this thing doesn't idle like a fucking bitch. Damn. Sick ass guy. Look at my shadow. Gonna connect the battery, check my oil too real quick, and then head out. Battery, connect, check oil. Started the battery, no check engine light for the first not even a mile. But it's weird because when I had idling issues a couple of days ago, my RPMs were jumping up and down. But now my RPMs aren't jumping around at all. But the car still. I wish you guys can hear, or like, I don't know, let's see if, can you guys tell? My phone is shaking a little bit. It's like, yeah, it's like jerking. And then when I accelerate, listen. It's like, oh wow, that was a long shift. Poor car. So let's just see how far I'll drive. I'll drive pretty far and see where it takes me. And let's just hope for the best. I don't know if it's a good thing to like floor it or anything, or like the car is supposed to be floored soon or something like that. I have no idea yet. I don't know. Just please work, baby. Come on. Back, YouTube. But it's still the same video. Mass flow sensor cleaned. Throttle body cleaned. Got this new plug that was gone in my car. For the longest time, they gave me 8 mpg, back up to 23 mpg. For the air fuel ratio, 3. Clean my air filter, 4. Change my oil, 5. Fucking wash the car. And then 6. O2 sensor replaced. Even got my MPG up more. And right when this car sat idling all rough, I was like, bro, I just want it to be an ignition coil light, bro, so I can just change the ignition coil and drive my car normal. Guess what? After all this money and all these things, you know, after all the things I had to do for the car, now it wants to give me the ignition coil light. So if I change the ignition coil right now and it doesn't make a difference, bro, Project Y33 hitting a shot, bro. Shot, bruh. This shit gonna hit the shot. Fucking Y33, bruh. It's a fucking Y33 issue, bruh. I fucking haven't taken this car to a fucking mechanic or even worked on it in so long. This car literally, like, not gonna lie, it might sound like I have like serious issues with the car, but it's honestly, this car never gives me issues. But like, the first time she ever does, bro, she finally caught me slipping. I'm trying to buy new tires. You guys see my tire alignment video? I hope you guys have watched that one, because I show you how much bad camber I got on this car. The camber's so bad. These new tires, I spent a good amount of money on them. They're already done. So instead of spending all this money on the engine, which is a good thing to spend on, because if you watch the video on 5 ways to keep your car alive, maintenance is key. Oh, look, I got this fucker. He's pissed. He's pissed. Sorry, dude. I'll let you out in a sec. Oh, fuck it. I'll let you out now. Oh, you don't want to go out. Fine. So, let's go. Let's get this garage open. So, we're gonna go. We're gonna change the ignition coil. And we're gonna fix this. Because I'm tired of fucking work on this car. I wanna get tires. Spend all my... I mean, it's a fucking good thing all this shit's happening now. Because, like, I have the money for it. So I could just make the car run really nice. But, damn, man. Sometimes I just want to fucking... I just want to get some nice ass fucking tires, bruh. So, yeah, here we go. Time to work on the Y33 today. This is my toolbox. This is my toolbox. It's actually not mine, it's my dad's, but... my toolbox. Dude, I'm pretty sure I have this shit upside down, bro. Oh, no. No, I got it. It's correct. Lit. Alright. Time to fucking get this shit together. Let's see how fast it'll take me to do it. Let's do it. We're acting crazy, so look. You can tell the old ignition coils, they have like this yellow looking stuff, right? But look, the new one is black. And that was the one I changed. 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm changing cylinder 6 again. Infiniti decided to like make these chips that are really hard to come off. The ones for them. But I got it off for cylinder 6. If you can tell. I'm just loosening up these bolts and trying not to drop it on the... Infiniti's crazy, man. They make it so then these bolts are really hard to take out. It's alright. It's a pretty dumb idea for me to drive the car because the engine's so fucking hot. Just gotta remember where I put these bolts. Just gotta remove. Just gotta remove this one down here. Life on life. this engine. Trying to avoid touching my thumb on it. Oh boy. Using 2 hands for this one. There we go. Got that bowl out. Kind of remember where I put everything. Alright, let's see. Wait, what am I missing? Another bolt somewhere? Just a little twist technique. Ah, fucking shit, fuck. Alright, I'm gonna get a couple fucking water. Ah, engine. Why do you gotta be hot as fuck? Look. New This is my old new ignition coil. From the same company. It says OE replacement parts. Yeah. Sure. This thing was so hard to pull out, bro. Literally the same exact thing, look. So this one's brand new. Fuck. What could have possibly gone wrong? Who knows? Electrical shit. Time to put this bad boy in, get my MPG up, and get rid of this misfire. Hello, Mr. Sparkplug. Then you find your handy dandy bolts. And then I'm gonna put this down right here. So if I drop these bolts anywhere, I will be very sad.
I'm not a girlfriend after this season. She walked around with me and I got one. The second one, which is in the most weirdest spot possible. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys, I am not like Scotty Tillman, bro. I am so bad. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna literally fucking lose my brains right now. Let me try with the GoPro one more time.
She's back in. I'm gonna plug her all the way in. But you guys think I should wrap this thing in electrical tape? Probably should, huh? I put the ignition coil pack back on and this, and I made sure this bad boy is tight. I'm gonna put all the covers back on in a sec. I just wanna see if this got rid of it. So while I'm at it, I'm gonna make sure I put these bolts right there, right here. These ones right here. Electrical tape right there. Keys out of there so nothing gets sucked up into the engine. And it looks good. Moment of truth, boys and girls. Where did I put the key? Oh, it's right here. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, I didn't plug it in actually correctly. So over here, I'll grab my handy dandy screw flathead. Tighten this baby up. Don't do that, because you will get sparked. Alright. This should do it. If it doesn't, I should probably grab my OBD scanner. Let's see. When I put it in drive before, it would start shaking. It's gone. Well, I got 22 MPG practically again. Did all that to change out the same ignition coil as the beginning. Oh boy. Well, I'm gonna put this thing back together. I'm gonna drive it around and get my money back. Yep. It's not bad. It's gone. No more rough idle. No more misfire. It's complete. I love you guys. Like and subscribe. I did everything possible for the queue for you guys. I didn't show all the other stuff, but I did do everything. And yeah, hope you guys have a beautiful time. Check out that how to get rid of rough idle if this isn't an actual issue. But you know, ignition coils can make you have some of the worst times of your life and make you do every single repair possible. Yeah. We did it. We fucking did it. Like and subscribe. Love you guys. Jib Boys, BMX car channel, light channel. You already know the vibes. Tell me what you guys like to see. I'm gonna make sure I check what the homie was that said he wants to see more Q videos. Bro, honestly, I want to give you Q videos with parts, not Q videos with me just having to have issues with the car all the time. Because oh my gosh, bro, this is my daily. Can't be having my daily acting up, you know. Love you guys. Peace out. Be safe.